It is the front passenger seat forward and backward. Turn on the interior lights. You can also control the air conditioning fan speed and temperature. Turning on the turn signals and hazard lights is a breeze as well. Open the charging port cover. We clip in the car doors, trunk, and the front. Even the lighting colors are under your control. Click the button to switch the air conditioning fan speed, temperature, and the lighting color. What a convenient and cool expansion dock. Pretty cool, right? Installation video. Remove the right side one by one. Take the harness out and unplug it. Take out the new harness and connect it. Put it back in and hide it. Take out the center control and connect one end. Press it on, snap it off, and you're set.